नमस्कार। आज के वीडियो लेक्चर में हम बात करेंगे गैल्वा एक्सटेंशन का और उससे रिलेटेड कुछ रिजल्ट्स डिस्कस करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम जो है गैल्वा एक्सटेंशन की बात करते हैं। तो लेट एल बी है एन अलजेब्राइक एक्सटेंशन। हम एक अलजेब्राइक एक्सटेंशन के का ले रहे हैं। तो इस एक्सटेंशन एल को हम गैल्वा एक्सटेंशन कहेंगे अगर फिक्स्ड फील्ड ऑफ गैल्वा ग्रुप ऑफ L over K is K. Means L, a super field of K is called Galois extension if its Galois group over K has fixed field as K. So first to discuss Galois extension, first we give some examples. We have discussed calculation of Galois groups. So we do not discuss proof of Galois group. We just return to the computation. As we know that Galois group of C over R is I phi, where phi is conjugation map given by phi of A plus IB is equal to A minus IB. Now our aim is to calculate फिक्स्ड फील्ड ऑफ गैल्वा ग्रुप ऑफ सी ओवर आर। इसको हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? फिक्स्ड फील्ड की डिफिनेशन को अगर हम ध्यान दें तो हम सी के एलिमेंट्स को कलेक्ट करते हैं और आप लोग जानते हैं कि अब सी के जो एलिमेंट्स हैं वो ए प्लस आई बी फॉर्म के होते हैं। तो सी के एलिमेंट्स को कलेक्ट करेंगे जो इन दोनों गैल्वा ग्रुप के जो एलिमेंट्स हैं, यहाँ पे आई और फाई है, दोनों के द्वारा फिक्स हो। तो आइडेंटिटी तो ऑलरेडी फिक्स करता है। कंजुगेशन मैप अप्लाई करेंगे तो फाई ऑफ ए प्लस आई बी इक्वल टू ए प्लस आई बी, लेकिन फाई ऑफ ए प्लस आई बी तो हमें पता है कि यह ए माइनस आई बी होता है। इट मीन्स वी हैव द सेट ए प्लस आई बी containing C contained in C such that a plus ib is equal to a minus ib. We know that it holds if b is equal to 0. That is, if we put the value of b in this, then we have the set containing a plus ib where b is equal to 0. This is. It means it contains only real numbers. So fixed field of Galois group of C over R is R. It means superfield C of R will be Galois extension. Similarly, we can prove that our natural question is Galois group of Q root 2 over R over Q is a Galois extension. Now, in next example, our question is Galois Q root 2 a Galois extension of Q? Support your answer. Means here we wish to calculate Galois group. We wish to calculate Galois group of Q root 2 over Q and then find its fixed field. It means our aim is to prove that each fixed field of Galois group of Q root 2 over Q is Q. We have discussed Galois group of Q root 2 in previous video lectures and contents. So here proof is given. हम यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड नहीं होंगे कि हम गैल्वा ग्रुप कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे। गैल्वा ग्रुप का कंप्यूटेशन we have already discussed the computation of गैल्वा ग्रुप. So we just come to the result. Galois group of Q root 2 over Q is I phi, where phi is the map defined by phi of a plus b root 2 is equal to a minus b root 2. I represents identity map, means I of a plus b root 2 is equal to a plus b root 2 itself. Now, just by definition of fixed field of Galois group is equal to elements of q root 2. As we know that every element of q root 2 is of the form a plus b root 2. So we collect all those elements a plus b root 2 of q root 2 for which sigma of a plus b root 2 is equal to a plus b root 2 for every sigma belongs to this Galois group. Now identity fixes a plus b root 2, so we just come to the map phi, means the fixed field of this will be the set consisting a plus b root 2 in q root 2, so that phi of a plus b root 2 is equal to a plus b root 2, but phi of a plus b root 2 is a minus b root 2. It means a set consisting a plus b root 2, so that a minus b root 2 is equal to a plus b root 2. From this we observe that a will be cancelled out, so we have from this equation 2b root 2 is equal to 0, but 2 root 2 is not equal to 0, so this result holds only if b is equal to 0. It means a plus b root 2 belongs to q root 2, so that b is equal to 0. Putting this value of b in this, we have the elements of the form a belongs a plus 0 root 2 belongs to q root 2, where a in q. That is, this will be the set of all rational numbers, because a plus 0 root 2 belongs to q. So Galois group, fixed field of Galois group of q root 2 is q. It means q root 2 is also a Galois extension of q. In the similar fashion, we can prove that q root 2p is also a Galois extension of q for any prime number p. So try to prove it for p is equal to 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. In the next question, we discuss that q 2 power 1 by 3 is also a field extension of q, but it is not a Galois extension of q. So it means fixed field of Galois group of q 2 power 1 by 3 over q is not equal to q. So in this example, we observe that we have calculated Galois group of this field extension, and observe that Galois group of q root 2 q 2 power 1 by 3 over q is the set containing I. And we know that every identity fixes every element of q 2 power 1 by 3. So fixed field of Galois group of this will be whole field, means q 2 power 1 by 3, and this is not equal to q. It means this is not a Galois extension of q. So try to check it. On the same line, one may prove that q p power 1 by 3 is not a Galois extension of q, where p is any prime number. So try to prove this. Also, next question, try to evaluate the Galois group of this and this. Here is the assignment. So try to prove this. Okay. We will meet in next video lecture. I hope that our efforts will help you to understand the concept of Galois extension. Okay, thank you.